This may seem to you a little weird, an acoustic guitar balladeer singing songs about love and broken hearts. But I assure you that I never meant, nor was it ever my intent, to play the whiny singer-songwriter part. I know that's what I'm doing, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Ponytails and Taylor guitars and a bunch of deep emotional scars. The world is so full of these musicians nowadays. Give me some mohawks and some power chords and some rage and some angst and some moshing hordes, or at least an old Black Flag album to play. I know that I'm just a crooner, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. I still believe in anarchy, just not like it used to be. I know now that we're all way too full of greed. And I still believe that we live in deeds and not in money or in our needs. But I have bills to pay and a family to feed. Call me what you will now, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Still listen quite frequently to The Clash and Bad Religion and Operation Ivy. I used to have a punk rock band, the finest in our suburban land, 4 white kids in our singer's mom's garage. But somewhere it all took a turn and I found some new chords and I started to learn some Billy Joel and Chicago and Police and the Cars, Hootie and the Blowfish, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. I bet you don't believe me, but I wish that I still play punk rock guitar. Yeah, I know you don't believe me, but I wish that I still play punk rock guitar. Let's see if I can remember now. This was just sort of a thought experiment. The root of my channel is about working in reclaimed and upcycled materials, and I wanted to see if I could build a guitar case without spending a single dollar on anything new, using hollow core doors, of course. So that's what this is. I just did it quickly as a rush job in the middle of working on some bigger projects that I'm really excited about sharing with you in the future. And I didn't spend a dime on it, except for I admit, have to buy these hinges. I did not have any of those floating around in my collection, but the rest of it's garbage, which is why it looks like it does. It's an old shop rag and some used carpet pad that I have lining the case. If I were to do this for real, and I may do some more of these in the future to accompany my guitars, I would do them better. I would buy new materials for the interior. In this guitar case also, because I was just using that door, it's very thin, so it will only work for thin guitars. The proper way to do something like this would be to actually build a box a little bit thicker than you need, and then cut that box in half on your table saw, so that way it would all line up perfectly and look like one complete unit. And you'd probably want to put something on the outside to protect the corners or Tolex or all of those things. But this is what you get for now. Stay tuned. I have some other projects I'm working on that are going to take me a little longer to finish, that are big and ambitious and exciting, and I will see you around the interweb. Thanks a lot and be good. Want to go see if this thing works?